In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Keep to Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to bring your notes into your schedule, capture notes directly from events, and have your Keep reminders appear as tasks in your calendar. So everything you need stays in one place. Start in Google Calendar on the right-hand sidebar. Look for the light bulb icon that's Google Keep. Click it to open your notes without leaving Calendar. You'll see your existing notes in the panel to place a note on your schedule. Simply drag it from the Keep sidebar onto a date and time in your calendar. This creates a calendar entry, using your note's title, and the content of the note is added to the event details. This is perfect for turning brainstorms or checklists into something you can actually act on within your day. And it helps keep your planning and your ideas tightly connected. Next, let's create a Keep note directly from an event. Click any existing event on your calendar to open its details. With the Keep sidebar still visible, use the Take a Note field to write a new note. That note is automatically linked to the event, which makes it easy to store meeting agendas, talking points, or follow-up items right alongside the event itself. Later, when you open the event, you'll be able to reference the linked note quickly. And when you are in Keep, that note will include a link back to the event, keeping the context intact from both directions. Finally, let's make sure your reminders show up where you plan your day. In Google Keep, open a note and set a date and time reminder. Once you add that reminder, it will automatically appear in Google Calendar as a task on the date and time you chose. This sync keeps your personal to-dos aligned with your schedule, so you won't miss important follow-ups or time-sensitive ideas you saved in Keep. It's a simple way to turn notes into actionable items that are visible right on your calendar. To recap, you opened Keep inside Google Calendar to drag notes onto your schedule, created a new Keep note linked to an existing event for built-in context, and set a reminder in Keep so it syncs to Calendar as a task. With these connections, your notes, events, and tasks work together seamlessly, helping you stay organized and focused. Thanks for watching.